We are having a tremendous time with Kress robots. We are selling into domestic gardens, we're selling into golf courses, we're doing really well with them. So every robot is controlled from your phone. We pair the robot to your phone and you can then see when it's out cutting, you can see what the schedule is, it's all controlled from your phone. If there's any problems with it, it will tell you on the phone. A great way to cut your grass hassle-free. We have fully trained engineers who will come out and install the robot. So you pay for the robot and you pay an installation charge as well. We're able to provide all the backup, all the support. We will do any warranty work. We have all the parts that you require. The blades are all in stock. You get the full service from us here at Fraser Robb's. So if you're looking for a Kress robot, get in touch. You can come and see the Kress in operation in our back garden. After you've come to see us, we'll give you some pricing and then we will come out and do a site survey if required at your home.